Oh my God!
Stop! What was that?
But here, this one you put it here.
It was my ring.
Oh.
Psycho.
Oh my God, took my neck.
Baby. Come over here. You want your hat or what? Well, I want to hear an apology. Say sorry. Ah! Say you're sorry.
I'm not. Seriously?
Oh. Oh my God.
Oh, like, no,
Okay,
seriously.
anyway.
Stop
Okay,
right now.
alright, I'm looking.
Bleeding.
Alright. Okay, it's not bleeding. It's not bleeding. It's not bleeding! Do the shoe thing.
Look!
It's just a scratch, baby. Can you block her, please?
Yeah, you're barking your ass.
Fuck you.
Your hand is fine.
No, it's not fine. Look.
Stop! Let's see it. Show the camera. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. They're gonna break the pictures again. Holy shit. Okay, Carlos, I'm done. All done. Just show the camera again how your little baby scratch. Oh! Don't hit me! Psycho.
Look.
There's nothing there. There's nothing there.
What
It's a
is
little friggin' scratch. Okay, go.
Hello. Leave!
What?
Right now, I'm leaving. Give me my hat.
Why don't you just say you're sorry and get it over with?
No. Don't worry about it. Can you stop doing video? Okay.
Video. Your hand is fine.
It's fine.
Alright, can you vacuum please so I can go?
Yeah.
Give her her hat.
I want to hear
This video,
sorry.
You're gonna delete it right now.
Shit. Block her! Don't let her at me! Okay, I'll delete it right now.
No, yes,
Delete!
this too.
I did friggin' delete the other one.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Can you go vacuum please? You're gonna knock the picture over again and break it. You never even replaced the first one.
And she did it. I'm saying it to the camera. She did it, and I took the blame.
What's this camera? Like, oh!
Oh my God.
She's such a baby.
Where are you going? Brittany, did you give her her hat? Latifah, on camera, I tell Brittany to give her her hat. Wait! Latifah! She definitely won't. She'll fucking leave and drive around the fucking parking lot.
Wait around the corner.
Can you go get her, please?
I gotta empty this.
Okay, go get her, though.